Here is a detailed overview of animals and birds on Earth. Animals. Animals belong to the kingdom Animalia and are multicellular, heterotrophic organisms that inhabit diverse environments. Key characteristics. Multicellular, with specialized tissues. Reproduce sexually or asexually. Ability to move at least during one stage of life. Complex nervous systems in most species. Major categories of animals. Mammals. Approximately 6,500 species. Examples. Humans, lions, elephants, whales. Characteristics. Warm-blooded, have fur or hair, produce milk. Reptiles. Approximately 11,000 species. Examples. Snakes, crocodiles, lizards. Characteristics. Cold-blooded, scaly skin. Amphibians. Approximately 8,000 species. Examples. Frogs, salamanders. Characteristics. Live in both aquatic and terrestrial environments. Fish. Approximately 34,000 species. Examples. Sharks, goldfish. Characteristics. Aquatic, gill-breathing animals. Invertebrates. Vast diversity, including insects, arachnids, mollusks. Examples. Butterflies, crabs, octopuses. Characteristics. Lack a backbone. Some have exoskeletons. Birds. Birds belong to the class Aves and are warm-blooded, feathered vertebrates. Key characteristics. Feathers and wings. Some species flightless. Beak without teeth. Lay hard-shelled eggs. High metabolic rate and strong respiratory